Hey, what's up everybody? This is Michael Mock. Just want to share with you. Remember last week we had a situation where the tile was not straight on the fireplace? Well, here's the fireplace this week. We have jacked everything up. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see what I see in terms of what is excellent tile work. So let's spin this around. Okay, so first things first. Last week, if you're looking down the line here, what I saw was a wobble. Okay, and you can see how straight this is. Just overall, everything is just getting straightened up. The other thing that I want to check with you guys, show you guys, is look at this. This is smooth. The transition is smooth. There's no bumps, whatnot, or anything on this tile. So right now what we're doing is we're finishing up the ends. This is a miter cut, meaning it's cut at a 45-degree angle. You notice that this is 45. Our tile setting team, he's already put thin Z on here. We've mitered cut on the other side as well, so you have a thin line here. And they will also miter cut on the underside. You can see that this is a 45 right here as well. Yep, this is a 45. All right, so just want to share with you how the progress is going. So, you know, when we don't see quality work from our subcontracting teams, we have them remove it. All right, have a great day. Take care.